Well, hey there, Leslie here. Hope you're doing well. I'm going to read a quote to you. Every great dream begins with a dreamer. Always remember, you have within you the strength, the patience, and the passion to reach for the stars to change the world. This is by Harriet Tubman. Now, one of the things I want you to think about is you're the only person who can make that decision to follow or not follow a dream. Books don't write themselves. Businesses aren't created by themselves. Careers aren't started up by themselves. Jumping into a new one, that's a decision that we make. And how we let that thrive or die is up to us. And so when I started as a legal assistant or legal secretary / legal receptionist, I had my coworker who was a paralegal, and she was fantastic. But the one thing she said that was negative was that it would take me 10 years to become a paralegal if I decided to go that route. And I'm like, really? And she goes, yeah. And I soon found out that that was not true. I wasn't really believing that, but I had nothing to base that on either. So within 7 months, I had moved into another law firm as a personal injury paralegal. Now, it doesn't mean that I knew everything. I had worked some trials, but I was going to work about 4 more trials with this attorney. And I learned so much. So no, I had not arrived, and I had a ton to learn. Whether you go through a 2 or 4 year program or a certificate program or none of the above, you have a degree in something else or no degrees at all. You've worked in retail, or you've worked somewhere else as a secretary or whatever it is that you've done. You've been a manager, you've been a nurse, you've been a teacher. Everything that you've learned can help you, but there's a ton more to learn for this career, okay? And a lot of it I learned on the job, and that's why, and I'll talk about this later, but the Paralegal Inner Circle class and the Cover Letter Secrets class came out of my struggles. That's 2 classes I developed because I wanted to make it easier for you. So let's talk about your dream. Are you pushing it aside, or are you doubting it right now? Or are you wondering if you made a mistake? Or are you thinking it's too much of a hill to climb? It really is biting off one bite at a time. And so you track what you have written down, what you already know how to do, and then you add to it. But this is before you ever enter into the workplace. You have to look at what you need to know. So I want you to go to Paralegal Coffee Talk, my website, and look under, this is free, look under the Paralegal Resources Hub, and you'll see a playbook, totally free, and everything in the hub itself is free. So go through all that, watch the videos in the hub, but download that playbook today. Yes, you have to sign up for it, because that's how my platform works, where the PDF is stored, okay? So is the paralegal career a dream that's just sitting there for you? Why is it just sitting there, or why are you having doubts, or what's holding you back? I'd love to hear in the comments. What do you need to say about this dream yourself? Is it you that's holding yourself back? Is it other people? Are you listening to too much negativity? And then the final thing today is, what action will you take today to move yourself, propel yourself forward? Will you go to the Resources Hub on my website and check that out? All of that will help you. There's some questions there you can answer that ask you, like, what, you can watch some videos and then you can answer some questions if you like. But you don't have to. But make sure you go and avail yourself of those free resources and track, like, where are you now with your skill sets? Put that down. What do you need to do to improve in Microsoft Word or Excel? So those are some simple actions you can take today. And then July 15th, the Paralegal Inner Circle class and the Cover Letter Secrets class reopen. Are you on the wait list? Make sure you take advantage of getting on the wait list so that you're notified when the class opens. It'll only be open for approximately 72 hours and then it's shut down. Okay, so, and come with us into that journey and learn what a paralegal really does to assist the attorney in the Paralegal Inner Circle class, and how to write an incredible cover letter that gets the attention of the hiring attorney, okay, in the Cover Letter Secrets class. So that's it for today. Questions, comments, let me know, and I will talk to you in the next video.